Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo pickleball paddles are designed for players seeking high performance, precision, and versatility. Available in two versions, Halo Pro and Halo Control, these paddles cater to different playstyles while maintaining consistent quality. Both paddles feature a carbon fiber surface, enhancing durability and providing excellent spin potential. This textured surface allows players to generate maximum spin, giving them greater control over their shots and enabling advanced gameplay techniques. The paddles are equipped with a RevCore Power polymer core, which balances power and control. This core technology ensures consistent ball response, delivering a reliable feel for both offensive and defensive play. The Halo Pro is tailored for players prioritizing power and spin, offering a slightly firmer feel for aggressive gameplay. In contrast, the Halo Control focuses on precision and touch, making it ideal for players who emphasize finesse in placement. Both models are lightweight and ergonomically designed, promoting ease of maneuverability and reducing fatigue during extended matches. The paddle's construction enhances consistency, enabling players to maintain performance throughout fast-paced games. Their design supports a wide range of playing styles, from beginners aiming to improve their skills to advanced players seeking tournament-level equipment. In summary, the SLK Halo pickleball paddles deliver a combination of spin, control, and power, backed by high-quality materials and innovative core technology. Whether choosing the Pro for aggressive shots or the Control for precision, these paddles are an excellent choice for players aiming to elevate their pickleball game. Their lightweight design and superior performance make them a versatile and reliable option for all skill levels. Number 2. This pickleball paddle set is USAPA approved and designed for players of all skill levels, offering a complete solution for those seeking reliable equipment for recreational or competitive play. The paddles feature a fiberglass surface, providing a balance of durability and performance. The fiberglass construction ensures lightweight handling, enhancing control and maneuverability, while delivering sufficient power for both beginners and advanced players. The set includes multiple paddles and accessories, making it suitable for men, women, and family games. The paddles are ergonomically designed with comfortable grips, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring a firm hold during extended matches. The set's design emphasizes user-friendliness, catering to casual players and enthusiasts looking to improve their skills. The paddles are built with a polymer honeycomb core, which adds to their durability and ensures consistent ball response. This core technology minimizes vibration, offering a smooth playing experience and precise shot placement. The paddles are lightweight yet sturdy, allowing players to focus on technique without compromising on power or control. This set is ideal for recreational games, practice sessions, and friendly competitions. It provides excellent value by including paddles that are both high-performing and durable, along with additional gear to enhance convenience. In summary, this USAPA-approved fiberglass pickleball paddle set is an excellent choice for players seeking a balanced combination of performance, durability, and comfort. Its lightweight design, ergonomic grips, and responsive core make it versatile for all skill levels, ensuring a great playing experience whether you're a beginner or seasoned player. The set is a perfect solution for anyone looking to enjoy the sport with friends and family. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a comprehensive set designed to enhance the playing experience for players of all levels. This bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 balls, and 1 bag, providing everything you need for a pickleball game in one package. The paddles in this set feature a G4 graphite face, which offers excellent durability and a responsive feel. The graphite surface enhances ball control and spin, giving players greater precision in their shots. The paddles also incorporate polymer RevCore technology, which combines a polymer core with a honeycomb structure to deliver a perfect balance of power and control. This innovative core helps absorb impact, minimizing vibration and providing a smooth, consistent ball response. Designed for comfort and performance, the paddles are lightweight, ensuring ease of maneuverability during fast-paced games. The ergonomic handles are designed to reduce hand fatigue, allowing players to maintain a firm grip and control throughout extended matches. Whether you are playing recreationally or competitively, these paddles offer the versatility and performance needed for a variety of playing styles. The bundle also includes 3 pickleball balls, made for durability and optimal bounce on various court surfaces, and a carrying bag for easy storage and transport of your gear. In summary, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle provides everything you need for an enjoyable and competitive pickleball experience. With its G4 graphite face, polymer RevCore technology, and a well-rounded bundle, this set is ideal for players looking to improve their game with high-quality, reliable equipment. The set's design is focused on comfort, performance, and durability, making it a great choice for players of all skill levels. Number 4. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddles are designed for players seeking superior performance, comfort, and control on the court. These paddles feature a graphite carbon fiber face, which offers an excellent combination of strength, lightness, and responsiveness. The graphite surface provides superior ball control, allowing players to place shots with precision while also delivering enough power for competitive play. The Mod Z5 is known for its honeycomb polymer core, which balances power and control, offering a consistent feel during both soft and hard shots. This core technology reduces vibrations, providing a smoother and more comfortable playing experience, especially during longer matches. The paddle is designed for players who want quick maneuverability, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced players seeking a paddle that can adapt to different playstyles. The cushion comfort grip is another standout feature of the Onix Graphite Mod Z5. It is ergonomically designed to reduce hand fatigue, allowing players to maintain a firm and comfortable grip for extended periods of play. This grip enhances overall control and handling, ensuring you can execute shots with confidence and comfort. Weighing between 7.5 to 8.2 ounces, the paddle provides a balanced feel, allowing players to generate enough power without compromising on control. It is also durable, with the graphite and carbon fiber materials ensuring long-lasting performance on the court. In summary, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is an excellent choice for players looking for a high-performance paddle that offers ball control, power, comfort, and durability. With its graphite carbon fiber face, honeycomb polymer core, and cushion comfort grip, it's designed to help players elevate their game while maintaining comfort during long, intense sessions. Number 5. The Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddles are a great option for players seeking high-quality performance at an affordable price. These paddles feature a reinforced fiberglass surface, which provides excellent durability and enhances the ability to generate spin, allowing players to place shots with precision and control. The fiberglass surface ensures the paddle is both lightweight and responsive, making it ideal for both recreational and competitive players. The paddles are equipped with a honeycomb polypropylene core, which offers a balanced combination of power and control. This core technology provides a consistent feel and optimizes the paddle's response to different types of shots. It also helps reduce vibrations, offering a smoother and more comfortable playing experience, especially during extended matches. Designed for comfort, the Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddles feature a grip that is comfortable to hold, reducing hand fatigue and allowing players to maintain a firm, controlled grip during intense gameplay. The ergonomic design ensures the paddle fits comfortably in the hand, enhancing overall control and maneuverability. Weighing approximately 7.5 ounces, these paddles strike a good balance between power and control, making them suitable for players of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to improve your game or an experienced player seeking reliable equipment, the Joola Essentials paddles offer a solid and well-rounded performance. In summary, the Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddles provide an affordable yet high-performing option for players seeking a balance of control, power, and durability. With their reinforced fiberglass surface and honeycomb polypropylene core, these paddles deliver consistent ball response and enhanced comfort, making them a great choice for players looking to elevate their game without breaking the bank.